This time on Snakeboys, we're going to show you how to attract all the birds in your area to your house.
I think I can see my house from here, Tucky.
Yeah, and the reason you want to attract birds to your house is because when you attract birds, a snake will eat a bird.
I wonder if there's snakes on top of my house over there.
Good bird, because
he's freaking out. No, we got to get...
Get some, Tucky.
Attaboy.
Snakeboys. Now, the reason that catching birds is important is because you want to use the right kind of minerals in your seed to feed the birds, make them strong. Because a strong bird means a strong snake, and that's just how the chain of the animal kingdom is. Now, we're gonna put this bird feeder way up in the tree, and we want you to learn how to get a snake with a bird. Now, Rusty, why don't you tell everybody where you put your bird catcher last time?
Last time I put mine up in my room, and Mama walked in there while I was out in the field. There's birds everywhere. She got mad. Don't put them in your room.
Now, finally, what's the final thing, Russ, that they need to know?
Well, you gonna want to put it at least outside.
Yeah.
You see,
Now, when you put your bird catcher out, you're gonna want to put it as high as you can.
basically, when you're just apparently wanting to hook up your bird catcher feeder slash, you're gonna want to put it in this little hook thing right here, just like yeah, right there.
And now that you got finally your securely fastened bird catcher locked in finally, it's time to talk feed. Now, while Rusty is professionally putting the bird feed into the bird catcher, let's talk about the importance of nutrition. Now, you have to be well infested to your bird health if you're going to do what me and Rusty did. What we did, we grabbed a couple snakes, went up to Bucky's Corner Stop, traded some snakes in to specific bird feed. Now, this is good for birds specifically because what it does when they eat it, it makes them fly. And you want your birds to fly around and be healthy and be good birds because the bird feed it's real nutritious for the birds. What we're doing right now is just showing you how to fill it up and talking about the good health of a good bird, because when you have a good bird, you got some good snakes. And when you got good snakes, you got good eating. Now that you've put your bird catcher full of food, now you got to hang it up.
I'm gonna hang it up just like that.
Oh, no, dude, I touch it.
That is, what do you mean?
You don't touch it.
There's only one way,
Touch
Tucky.
it.
Oh, like that.
That was close. Just
Wait, why don't you just do
try
it?
again.
No, I give up.
It only took me 20 seconds, Rusty. Come on. Now that we've professionally hooked our bird catcher up to the rope, I'm going to show you how this contraction works. Now you just go ahead and pull that string down, and you got a marker on your rope. Once you get here, you just go ahead and wrap it around. And just like a magician, you have your perfect bird catcher, snake catcher.
Hey, Tucky.
Yeah.
I don't like being up this high.
Well, why not?
Because it's too high.
Well, just pretend there's a snake up there.
Man, I wish I was a snake right now. That way I could just jump in one of these trees.
That's what a snake does.
If I was a snake, I would let the snake boys catch me.
You just gotta be a snake boy. Snake boys ain't afraid of nothing. You alright, Rusty?
I don't feel too good.
Well, what'd you eat?
Nothing. I didn't eat nothing. I ain't ate nothing all day.
Alright.